Do you want to start your own online business and make a lot of money every month? What if I told you that you can launch a premium multi-vendor e-commerce marketplace like Amazon or AliExpress completely for free? Yes, you heard that right. Today I am giving away the complete source code of this highly professional e-commerce system 100% free. By creating this website, you can invite sellers to open their shops on your platform and you will earn a commission from every single sale they make. This is a golden opportunity to start your dream online business without paying thousands of dollars to developers. In this powerful system, you are getting amazing features. It comes with a beautiful mobile optimized store front, a super powerful admin dashboard to track all your income, built-in payment gateway like PayPal and Stripe, and an advanced vendor management system. In this video, I will show you exactly how this system works and how you can install it step by step. How to download multi-vendor e-commerce open source code. For this, you need going to give.com website. Then you search multi-vendor e-commerce. Now you going to of this page. As you can see that you download only complete multi-vendor e-commerce system free open source code. Yes, you using this only this open source code, then start your multi-vendor e-commerce business journey today. Now create your new account. This is a very simple. Just submit your username, email and password. I am already create my account, so I am now login my old account. Then I am now click on this sign in. As you can see, I am login my old account. Now I am again search multi-vendor e-commerce. Then you going to of this page. Now click on the donate and download. As you can see, you get download free button. Now click here. Then you complete of these tasks. This is a very simple. Just unlock these tasks. Then you download of this open source code. For example, you unlock of these tasks, then going to dashboard section, then going to donation section. As you can see, you get download button. Just click here, then again click here, download anyway. Now as you can see, our open source zip file is downloading. Download is complete. Now I am going to download folder. Now you can extract this zip file. Just click on the here. As you can see, submit here password. Now going to again donation section or download section. Now click on the view password, then copy this password and then paste here. Now click on the OK. As you can see, our zip file extract is complete. Now we will going to extract folder. This is your main source code zip file. You upload this zip file in your hosting panel or cPanel and then you get license key. This is the most very important. Now you need domain and hosting to publish your multi-vendor e-commerce website online. I give you 75% discount domain and hosting. You just click on the claim offer. Then as you can see, you going to Namecheap website. Now you question why I advise Namecheap website. Because Namecheap website give you super fast hosting server. This hosting server help your multi-vendor e-commerce website super fast loading speed. Many customer, many user visit your website. So you need super fast domain and hosting. Namecheap website give you super fast hosting server. Now I will show you step by step how to purchase domain and hosting from Namecheap website. You can find all type of hosting server on this Namecheap website. Now we will learn how to purchase a shared web hosting server. You can select the hosting server location based on your specific needs. And you should definitely choose an annual plan for better value. Here you can see three wonderful packages. You can choose any package from here and purchase it, no problem. However, my personal advice is that you should definitely purchase the Stellar Business Package or number 3 package. Because in this package, you get automatic backup and cloud storage, which is very important for every website. Also, you get a free domain with this package. Now we will purchase the 3 package or Stellar Business Package. For this, we have to click on the Get Started button. Now we can choose a new domain for free. For this, you will need to enter any domain name of your choice here. Here you can see that you can get this domain absolutely free. You can choose any domain of your choice. Then we will connect this domain to our hosting. Now we need to click on the Add to Cart button. We must confirm the order. Now we need to create an account on Namecheap. For this, we need to submit the correct account information here. We have submitted the information correctly. Now we need to click on the create account and continue button. Then we have to submit our own address here step by step. You must submit your own address here step by step. Now we need to click on the continue button. Then we will select here. Now we will click on the continue button again. We can purchase domain hosting using various international automatic payment method. For example, you can pay through PayPal or you can pay through various type of international card and various cryptocurrency. Now we will learn how to make payment via banking card. For this, we need to submit the correct card information here. Now we need to confirm the purchase by clicking here. Then we will confirm all our information by clicking here. Now we must click on the continue button. Now we need to confirm terms and condition of the Namecheap website. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking the pay now button. We have successfully purchased domain and hosting from Namecheap. So let's go to main dashboard of our hosting panel. Then we will go to hosting list section. Now we can easily log in to cPanel by clicking on this button. As you can see that cPanel dashboard. Now I will show you step by step how to install your open source code in cPanel, then publish your multi-vendor e-commerce website online. I am now going to file manager. Then you going to public HTML folder because we will upload our upload code open source zip file in this public HTML folder. For this, going to again upload section, then click here. Now we will going to extract folder, then click on the upload code zip file. As you can see that zip file upload is complete. Now click on the go back to. Then we need to extract of this zip file. For this, click on the extract, then click on the extract files. As you can see that our zip file extract is complete. Now delete of this zip file. Now enter your domain name in your browser. As you can see that in installation page, you choose default language. I am choose default language English. Now click on the let's go. Our server requirement all okay. Now click on the configure environment. Enter here your website title or website name. Our website URL okay. Then you choose must be MySQL, our database host IP okay, and database port is okay. Now submit here your cPanel database information or hosting panel database information. For this, I am now going to our cPanel dashboard. Then you going to database widget. Now enter here your database name. For example, I am enter database name is data. Then click on the next step. Submit your database username. I am using password generator. Now copy this password, then paste here. Yes, I am use this password. Now click on the create user. Now copy database information. I will now copy user information. Then paste here user field. Now copy database name and then paste here database name section. Now click on the all probabilities, then click on the make change. Our database create is complete. Now click on the install button. As you can see that next page you submit here your admin login information. This is the very important. I am now submit my admin name, then username. Now submit your own email. Now submit here password. As you can see that our admin login installation information submit is complete. Now click on the create. Now submit here your username. For this, going to your download folder, then open extract folder. Now open license, then copy username, then paste here username section. Now copy license, then paste here license section. Yes, I am confirmed. Then click on the active license. Okay, our website installation is complete. Now click on the go to admin dashboard. As you can see our admin panel. Now I'm going to website homepage. Wow, our multi-vendor e-commerce website is completely ready. Now start your multi-vendor e-commerce business. This is the professional multi-vendor e-commerce open source code. I hope you understand. As you can see, this is the our demo products. You delete these demo products or banner design or homepage design, image or text. It is possible. Just you going to admin panel. As you can see, you get many features or functionality to control your e-commerce website. Now going to e-commerce section, then you control everything e-commerce, all features and functionality. As you can see, you get many features or functionality. For example, you're going to product section, then in this section you upload your e-commerce products or delete default e-commerce products or edit it's possible. Then you control everything e-commerce section. Then you going to product specification, add product specification, groups, attributes, tables, and you control marketplace. Then you create new page or submit your blogs or configure your payment. Now going to payment method. As you can see in this section, you can add your specific payment method like international or manual payment method. Then you control transaction or payment logs. Then you add testimonial and you add your e-commerce website. As you can see, advertising like Google AdSense or your own ads. Then you control contact section. Then you change slider or you add FAQs, newsletter. You add a specific location in your e-commerce and you control media. Then you get most important section, Afference section. This is the important because you change your website homepage features or functionality in this Afference section like change menu, widget, themes, CSS, GSS, custom HTML, robot txt. Then you get many more plugins. Then you get tools section. Then you going to settings section. In this section, very important, because you change your website logo or number or everything, features, functionality, enable, disable in this section. I hope you get most popular e-commerce multi-vendor website source code. Now start your own e-commerce multi-vendor business journey. I discuss with you step by step. I hope you like this video. If you any question, please comment us in this video, or if you directly contact with me, check this video description. I give you my all contact information. Thank you so much watching this full video.